Hey guys, we have some exciting news. We released a new SubSpace Navigation for cloud version, and we have worked really long on that, and I'm just happy to show you some new features. Hey, look at that! So I'll just make myself smaller, put myself here in the corner, and walk you through some new features. So let's start. Here you can notice we have some additional section in the administration that's called backup and restore. And as you might think, we have implemented a backup functionality for the SubSpace Navigation configuration. Basically, we would export all of configured menus and the global settings, but you can also read here what exactly we export. For initiating it, you can just hit the create backup file. Once it's downloaded to your laptop, you can go to the restore tab and just drop a file here and hit the restore for backup button. As you can see, we have already did so. That's why you can see the status successful. And if you expand it, you will notice some additional information like what exact menus were restored. To keep track of all of your backups, you can go to the third tab that's called Backup Details. Here in the table you will see all of the backup history, by who it was created, when, and what exact menus have we exported. So that's basically it, but I want to show you more. So now if we go back to the configuration section and go to the edit section, you will see something new. We have added a section that's called description, and here now we have finally a place where you can add some notes and describe, explain what this menu is for another admins, for example. If you hit save and hit this button, the description will be displayed here. That's not everything. So now if we go to this menu, I just created a sample menu for you to show the new feature. I added some chapters, not all of them, that we have, and this one, as you can see, it's too long and you can read it fully. So now if you just hover over it and wait a second, it will automatically scroll and show you the full name of the menu, of the menu item, I mean. And if you go back, it just goes to its initial place. So that's a small improvement, but I hope that you can appreciate it as much as I do. And that's not everything. Then, if you go to the configuration dialog, we have implemented some features that some of our customers have requested and been waiting for some time. So now finally you can also add a menu background color for the dark theme as well. So here you can go to the theme, change it to the dark, and for example I have here this pinky color. I'll save that, and now as you can see in the dark mode the magic appears. So to show you the last feature, I had to switch the users, but as you can see we have implemented a walkthrough guide for the first time users. So now if someone will download SubSpace Navigation for the first time and wants to create a new menu, he will come to this dialog, and this guide will just walk him through all the steps, all the sections, where to find everything, what he can do and cannot do with our app. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and please let me know what you think about those new features, this new format. We would love to hear from you. Thank you and see you. Bye!